Hello boys and girls. Today I prepared a video for people who would like to start mining with Nicehash. So first please go to the nicehash.com page and then start your registration. Enter your email address, password and confirm your password as well. After a while a message from Nicehash comes to your email account and you are able to verify your email by entering the code. Then just simply log in. Now as you are in, at first go to the wallet and there you can see some details, but most important is your BTC address that is used for Nicehash mining. Then scroll down to the bottom of the page and you can see profitability calculator. You can choose one of the hardware pieces that are in the list. I am choosing AMD Vega 56 in this example. Afterwards you can choose power consumption costs and click on calculate. Below you can see the estimated earnings based on current Bitcoin value. Please be careful on this one as it is really fluctuating recent days. Okay, after this scroll down and you can see a really nice graph here where you can see the best performing algorithms for your graphic card. So it is really important to remember those and you will use it later as well. Now go to the Nicehash Miner option and you will download Nicehash Miner. It depends what kind of graphic card or graphic cards you have. You can choose from NVIDIA or AMD option. In my case I will choose NVIDIA because I have a couple of them. Okay, so install the software just by clicking next and so on. The application is starting. It will load a couple of things and then click on the first option left, your wallet. Use BTC address as advanced option. Enter the wallet you have stored. Okay, next step is to go to hardware details. There you can see all compatible hardware you have. In my example there is just one CPU. And if you click on it, you will see all algorithms you are able to mine with your hardware. In my case there is just one, but for AMD Vega you will be able to see multiple algorithms and choose just those that are most profitable in recent 7 days to increase the profit. Okay, as now is everything set, just click on start mining and it's going. I hope this video was easy for you, and if you have any issues just let me know. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel as recently YouTube changed monetization policy. Thank you.